suck on Facebook ads. You can do better, don't worry. The next time that you will do a CPO campaign, it's going to have 5 rows. It is not your fault. You will do better. iOS is to blame, not you. Your business is perfect. You will have the best possible result. Blame Zuckerberg. Blame iOS. You will be successful with Facebook ads. You will have the best ROAS in the world. And your business will take an award for having the best ROAS. Because you are a genius.
Meanwhile,
imagine Facebook having ASMR programs that they want to convince people about things they want.
Facebook is good. Mark Zuckerberg is a god. You should listen to Facebook representatives. Run traffic ads, it's better for us, we make more money. Facebook.
Hello Facebook ads people, I'm Konstantinos, and this is not an ASMR session, since today we're going to answer the biggest beginner's question. Should I start my ads on the Facebook platform, or do I need to pick another one for my first paid ad campaigns? The answer is simple, but we will also dive deeper into the subject while I also share my personal experience with the brands I've worked with. If you don't try it, you will never know. This is the answer. I have managed hundreds of ad accounts, and guess what? Some were new with 0 pixel data. And guess what? Some did well from day one, some did well after some weeks, and some failed miserably. My point is that all you can do is just test it. I just hate it when people say that Facebook is expensive to start. Maybe it is, maybe it's not. Maybe it is expensive for your business. If it is, move on and stop being toxic to the others that they want to test if this is an initiation platform for them. Stop being toxic because it didn't work for you. You can see my video about numbers and how important they are, since the success of your ad is not only defined by the method that you will use or the settings in the Ads Manager. The truth is that you need a good average order value in your store and a good profit margin in order to start with Facebook. It is not a cheap platform, at least not as cheap as it used to be 2 or 3 years ago.
It's difficult.
Maybe with the iOS changes, more will leave and it will be cheaper soon, but we don't know it yet. If you don't know what I'm talking about, go watch my first YouTube video. I explain everything there. Super promotion video for my YouTube videos, I guess. I had companies doing Facebook ads first, failing, then moving into cheaper options like Google. Once I had a company that found success with Bing ads only. It was the only thing working for them. Integrate your API in Pixel, of course, and use a platform that works for you and that will help you gather data. After you do that, like the business that I mentioned with Bing ads, move to Facebook when you have consistent sales or even organic traffic. And boom, scale it with Facebook ads. If you can get good results again, start adapting and make changes to the average order value and so on. Since your products already sell, they are just not selling enough or bringing in the revenue you need in order to advertise with Facebook. And now, questions and answers. Is Facebook more expensive compared to the past? The answer is yes. Is it more difficult now with the iOS changes? The answer is yes again. Does this mean that you should exclude Facebook ads for these reasons and not try it at all? Hell no. Can you scale your business without using Facebook and Instagram? I'm not even going to play the drums for this. Hell no, of course not. Just to summarize, start with Facebook ads and experiment. If you fail at them, don't just blame the platform, but see how you can adapt to use the platform instead. If it is expensive for your business and you can't do anything about it, move to other platforms and try your luck there until you have something working and you start having consistent sales. E-commerce is the art of consistency. If you have consistent sales, you will be able to run ads in any single platform. And that means that you should not focus only on a platform, but of course on your organic traffic too. And let me explain what I mean by consistency. Even if that means that you have a sale per day, but when I say a sale per day, I mean a sale per day. Consistency is the key. As I like to say, Facebook is the art of failing, and e-commerce is the art of consistency, as I said before.
Flashback.
Until we meet again, be creative, be creative, be creative, be creative, be creative, be creative, and be consistent. And be consistent. And be consistent.
End of flashback.
And guess what? This is the reason that I close each one of my videos, as you can see, by saying be creative, because creatives are very important for Facebook ads, and consistent, because consistency is very important for e-commerce or any other business that you do. For example, I'm trying to put 2 or 3 videos every week, but I'm trying to be consistent if I want this channel to be good. The same happens with any other business in the world. So try to be more consistent. When you have all that, use Facebook and Instagram ads to scale, because without Facebook and Instagram, you will never scale. Don't forget, Facebook and Instagram are impulsive platforms. They are convincing people, with the ads that you do, of course, to buy something that these people didn't know that they wanted to buy 3 seconds ago. Yep, it's that powerful.
Wow.
In any case, that's all I had for you today. Hit the like button if you like the video and subscribe if you want to see more in the future. If you feel like it, leave your question below and your question might be featured in a future video. Sometimes I even answer the questions below. Not sometimes, all the times. And don't forget that if you want to learn more about Facebook ads, you can read my book or check my courses or even follow me on Instagram where I upload more videos. Links are below in the description. And of course, as we said, until we meet again, be creative and be consistent.